Well, here we are with our March winds that are obviously continuing to buffet the state. Of course, it all depends on which way the wind blows. When we had that windstorm a couple days ago, that was a northwest wind that was very dry. Today, we're picking up a south wind. It's a little bit stronger. It'll be stronger for tomorrow, but our temperatures will get up into the 80s. Basically, the reason for the wind going that way is because we got a developing storm in the Rocky Mountains. Now, there you see that wind. It'll probably be peaking at about 25 to 30 miles an hour tomorrow. So it's on the breezy side. Now, we don't have any red flag warnings right now. That's right now. But I believe that when the front comes through our area Saturday afternoon and evening, Sunday we may have another red flag warning with the strong winds and the very low humidities, which are a problem. So let's just keep that in mind as we head on into the weekend. Right about now we're doing okay. Obviously down over the waters we do have the small craft advisories because the winds are picking up. There you see how it's all southeast, rolling all the way up into this area of low pressure, rolling out of the Rockies. This is another big storm that will be a howling problem for the Central Plains in the next 3 or 4 days. This is the front that will pass our area on Saturday. So ahead of the front, we're in the 80s. Behind the front, we're in the upper 60s. So there'll be a bit of a cooling trend behind it, but not huge. Like I said, that is our next system that we're going to watch. And I'm looking for a rain to arrive, but it's just not going to be in the cards over the next 7 days. So 83 tomorrow, then 85 on Saturday. Here's the little dip in the temperature to 68 on Sunday with that north wind, but that's also going to be very dry there. And then we'll slowly get up into the 70s for next week. Overnight lows, well, not in the 40s tonight. We'll be up in the upper 50s. What happened? It's the wind. Last night we had that leftover dry air. And then overnight, we picked up that south wind. The Gulf air rolls the humidity back into our area. But a warm day for pretty much all of Texas tomorrow. As you can see, we'll be about 83, 87 out in San Antonio and in the 90s along the Rio Grande. And the big concern is as the front gets closer, we pick up not a southeast wind, which is what we have, they'll pick up a southwest wind, and that is a very dry air mass. Now, we take a look at Thursday. We'll go on into Friday. You can see sort of the cloud covers drifting through. Here's Saturday. That's when the front starts getting into Texas. At this point in time, looks like Dallas may have something, but we're not really invited into that thing. And then by Sunday, it all blows away as a dry air rolls in. So take a look at your day planner for tomorrow. Port Lavaca is looking pretty good. Looking for some clouds in the morning hours. Otherwise, partly cloudy in the afternoon. The winds will be out of the south. Probably that's sustained, so you can add 10 miles an hour of gusts for that, getting up to about 80 degrees. So not bad. It'll feel like springtime. We're looking for that same pattern throughout the Cuero area as well. 7-day forecast, breezy and warm, then breezy and warm, and then the cool front comes in at night. So breezy, a little cooler, and breezy and a little milder. And you get the idea, it's going to be breezy for the next few days. That's your 7-day forecast. Reminding everybody we do have a QR code. Love for you to scan that, put Crossroads